So we are still in the session that the kids are working with their work, with their materials, and just to be honest, that I cannot wait to see them present their work later on at the end of our session. Okay, I'm going to invite again them so that they can work together with their tools and materials. We also have Jason, Ansel, and Alice. And then, yeah. So once again, everybody, just keep in mind that it's okay to make mistake. Okay, don't worry to make mistakes. Sometimes people are make mistake, and from mistake we can learn something. Okay, to make it more better to improve ourselves. So wow, Nico are trying to work with the flat popsicle stick. Be careful, Nico. You have to think more about how to using a lot of popsicle stick because maybe it will be wasting. Yeah, I need you to think twice when you are working with your materials. And then what else? Okay, Albros are joining with us from Serbia, 9 o'clock. Wah, maminya Nicholas nungguin tuh kayaknya. Sabar ya, Bu. Ini arsiteknya lagi kerja. Pegangin sampai pegal. Nicholas, you have to say thank you to your mommy later on.
Ini.
Kecil aja yang
Yang kecil ya. Dari sini aja kenapa?
Oh, itu kecil.
Ini juga kecil.
Ini gedean kan.
How is it, Elbrus? Gimana? Elbrus bisa bikin bangunan pakai popsicle stick?
Iya.
Bisa.
Bisa.
Wah, susah nggak nempel-nempelin itu?
Enggak.
Enggak. Wah, Elbrus lagi bikin bangunan apa sih itu?
Bikin apa?
Bikin badung.
Gedung.
Gedung. Oh, gedung apa? Sekolah? Gedung hotel? Apa gedung apa itu?
Tempat main.
Tempat main. Oh, playground. Ya, oke. Terusin ya, Elbrus. Bikin yang tinggi ya.
Oke.
Oke. Wow, keren banget nih. Nanti Elbrus harus ceritain tuh. Ini bangunan apa dan gimana cara buatnya. Ceritain sama Mr. Al biar Mr. Al nanti. Ya.
Oke.
Jason and ya, thank you Elbrus. Silakan bekerja lagi. Kakak Jason Ivo dan Ivo udah hampir jadi itu, bangunannya keren banget. Misal Al sebetulnya iri, misalnya juga biasanya kalau di kelas misalnya juga buat sama teman-teman. Cuma karena di sini materialnya dipakai sama Devanka sama Abia, misalnya nggak punya apa-apa, cuman punya sedikit. Ini kalau ada yang mau nih, misal Al kasih nih ada banyak apa namanya popsicle stick. Nih Abia sama Devanka. Don't wasting your glue, just a little bit. Ya, awas, jangan sampai miring. You have to consider to put the popsicle stick. If you need to cut it, using your scissor, yes, you can cut it. Just directly cut it. If you think that you want to break it with your finger or with some cutter or scissor, you can also doing it. But if you think that you need some help from adult like mommy or daddy, just ask them. Mommy, can you help me please? And don't forget to say the magic word, please. If you say please, everyone will be so glad and happy to help you. Ya. Niko udah bikin apanya itu?
Bandara.
Dinding bandaranya.
Dinding bandaranya. Oh, mau bikin bandara. It's a good idea, guys. Jadi kemarin kita udah buat pesawatnya. Jadi Niko hari ini kepikiran untuk bikin bandara di pinggir-pinggirnya, ada gedung-gedung bandaranya. Itu keren banget. Jadi connecting from the previous idea into our actual idea nowadays, and then Niko lagi menggabungkan ide yang kemarin sama ide yang sekarang. Keren banget. Oke, kalau Aleta bikin apa? You wanna share with us, Aleta? Ya. Bikin apa itu? Tower. Oh, good job. Wow. Can you see, guys? Aleta was working so tidy, so neat. I give you 2 thumbs up, Aleta. That's nice. Okay, you can keep on going with that. If it's possible, can you make it more, little bit more messy, like at the top, make it a little bit like doing some demonstration or experiment or explore some kind of technique to put it more, yeah. So it will be having a different shape maybe. But it's okay. It's up to you, Aleta. Up to you.
Ini. Woi, benderanya satu lagi. Kasihan dia sendiri.
Wow, kakak Jason sama Dede Ivo bikin apa itu? You guys are so amazing, you know. You are like a scientist working in the lab, in their lab, and then you're trying to create something which is very cool. If I have a like a time machine, time traveling machine, I can go to your place and I will help you. Like, what can I do to help you guys? Like that. But unfortunately, I cannot. I can just stay here and then do something like so sad. I cannot do something like you guys. Ivo, can you help me to invite me to your house, please, so I can work with you? Okay. Yeah, I wish that I can go to Jason and Ivo house so I can work with them. Like opening the door, like, hey, knock, 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 knock. Hi, Jason and Ivo, can I do something to help you guys? Like that. But unfortunately, we are so far away. Jason and Ivo dari di mana rumahnya? You guys in Bandung? What? Where you guys live? Surabaya. Oh, so far. Surabaya and Tangerang are very far. Yeah, I wish I have a time machine. I can open it and then suddenly like go to Ivo's house, Ivo's room, and then hi guys.
House so far.
So far, yeah. I wish that I can go to your house, guys, and help you. Like, what can I do to help you? Because I'm so jealous now here because I cannot do anything. My popsicle stick has been grabbed by Devanka and Abia, and I can't do anything here, unless only like watching and encourage you guys to do your to working with your popsicle stick. Leandra juga. Leandra ini ada di Serbia. Ini jauh banget. My goodness. Yeah, I wish that I have my own jet plan so I can go to Serbia and just watch Leandra working with the popsicle stick. Hi, Leandra. Can I do something with you? Yeah, but unfortunately I cannot do anything here. Only like talking a lot. I'm sorry. Kakak Ares di Bogor. Nanti misalnya kalau main ke Bogor mau main ke rumah Kakak Ares. Wow, bikin apa itu lingkaran ya Kakak Ares? It's nice.
Tapi kan nanti gitu. Kamu kan begitu.
Ya. Okay, anyone, if you have any problem, just raise your hand. If you want to talk with me to share your idea, yeah, you can open the audio. Okay, maybe Devanka want to share her work first. Okay. Yeah, in Tangerang now it's raining. And then, yeah, sometimes our Wi-Fi signal are not really good. Come on, Devanka, you want to share something? Go.
Yeah. Hi, this is our project. I call it Extreme Pixel. If they want to go up, they have to climb, and it's like a Halloween decoration. There are spider webs.
Are you done with that?
Yeah, really done.
Oh, you still have a lot. I want you to make.
Okay.
Yeah. Di depan aja sih tempat duduknya. Benchnya. Orangnya cuma one person, one. Udah ya, mau ke belakang ya. Boleh, kamu sendiri. Kamu besok. Ya. Oh, sokan. Di sini. Nih, gini nih. Ini. Mati lagi.
Ini tempat mainan.
Ini gini nih, Kak.
Suara Mr. Ale masih mute.
Sorry. Maaf, aduh lupa. Ya, Elbrus sudah selesai belum? Hah? Sudah. Ayo, Mr. Al mau dengar. Teman-teman, kita dengerin Elbrus cerita dulu ya. Gimana cara buatnya pelan-pelan dari mana dari awalnya gimana? Ready? 1, 2, go. Silakan Elbrus cerita.
Bikin tempat mainan.
Ya. Itu gambar orang ya.
Iya.
Itu Elbrus bikin apa sih? Bikin gedung ya?
Mainan.
Oh, gedung mainan. Pakai apa bikin gedungnya? Pakai stick es krim ya? Oh iya. Elbrus kemarin bikin pesawat nggak? Iya, pesawatnya boleh ditaruh di atas gedungnya.
Iya.
Okay.
Oke, itu siapa yang gambar orangnya? Siapa? Ya,
Prajurit mailbox castle.
prajurit ya, soldier ya. Iya. Elbrus seneng nggak bikin gedung?
Seneng nggak yang
Senang.
Seneng banget ya. Wah, oke deh. Terima kasih Kakak Elbrus. Kakak Elbrus sekarang boleh istirahat, boleh main sama gedungnya. Yeay, misalnya seneng banget itu. Kalau ada di samping Elbrus, bakalan main berdua itu. Sampai malam. Begadang. Okay, thank you Elbrus. Now we have to go to another one. Yeah, Ares, you need some help?
I want to EF.
Yeah. Be careful ya, Ares. Be careful. Hati-hati di jalan. Thank you so much for joining with us. Iya, kakak Ares harus les bahasa Inggris dulu dia, jadi nggak bisa stay sampai akhir. Kakak Vio lanjutin sampai selesai. Iya, wow, ini kakak Aleta mulai buat bagian atasnya nih. Ini bagian paling sulit kayaknya. This one is the hardest part because Aleta need to stick the the very tall stick to be the roof of the tower, and then she is working with her dad or mommy maybe, and then this is a good team I think, and I hope that I can go to Aleta's house and to help her. Karena bocor dari sini aja ngambilnya.
Oh.
Oke. Iya. Ya, kakak Aleta harus mikir nih gimana caranya supaya bangunannya, towernya bagus, tapi nggak boleh rubuh, nggak boleh hancur ya. You have to think how to stick it, and you have to think about the basement or try to make your tower more stronger than before. So you may discuss with your mommy and your daddy. Nicola sudah selesai. If you done, you just give me your thumbs. If you're still working with that and not done, you just do it like this. It means that you still need more time to finish your work. So. Hey guys, actually these activities in SWA, in Sinarmas War Academy, I taught students about how to make a building using popsicle stick. All right, like the one that we just doing it now. Okay, and then yeah, we sometimes explore to do all these things using all materials that we can find around us, and then yeah, this activity is actually one of the favorite lesson because uh, most of the kids will it's like playing but in term of lesson like that. So yeah, I think most of the kids like this project because they can try to express their ideas into a 3D sculpture, 3D tower or building, and then Yeah, at the end, I used to display all the students' work in the lobby or on the alley or maybe on the like area that mommy or daddy can see.
Mister A,
Yeah, yeah, Vio.
hmm, laptopnya nggak bisa dipakai lagi, mau dipakai mama.
Oh iya, nggak apa-apa, Ares. Amin, Vio, nggak apa-apa.
Katanya mau diambil.
Iya, nggak apa-apa, Vio is okay. Nanti boleh Vio tetap kerja aja nggak apa-apa. Nanti Vio boleh. Vio mau present sekarang? No, I'm asking Vio. Nggak apa-apa kalau laptopnya mau dipakai atau teman-teman ada kegiatan lain nggak apa-apa. You can just leave the video. Ya. Wah, itu keren banget, Leandra. Kakak Leandra bagus banget nih. Misalnya mau pin kakak Leandra dulu biar semua orang lihat. Wow, ada benderanya juga ya. Keren banget Kakak Leandra. Ini bangunan apa namanya ya? Ah? What is that? What do you call for that building? Do you have any name for your building? Are you done? Okay, you want to present your work? Okay, you can start now. Please get closer with the camera and please speak louder, yeah, so that people, I mean, all the kids will get inspired by you later on. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, go. Yeah.
My building, I made it like a fortress.
Mhm.
It's and there is people here.
Okay, that one is a people. Yeah. Okay, good. What's that? I cannot hear you. Just don't be shy. Louder, please.
A box.
Okay. Okay. And then, do you have any name for your building? What is that?
Mm, pet.
Okay. How you make it? How you do it?
First, we made like a circle.
Mm,
I'm not a square. Then we go like a stairs. It's gonna be higher and higher and higher.
mm.
Then we make a triangle, and then make a square and another triangle. Then we
Okay.
cut up.
Yeah. Okay. I listen up to your expression. I mean explanation. Can you mention 6 things that you learn from these activities? Ready?
Mm,
First, you learn about what?
how to make a building from popsicle stick.
Okay. Next will be
How to be creative.
how to be creative. Good job. Next will be
Mm, how 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 to glue all the popsicle sticks.
yeah, how to yeah, okay, good. 2 more. Come on. 2 more points. So hard, yeah. Did you learn how to arrange the popsicle stick nicely? Okay, good job. How about the problem? Do you have any problem with your building?
No.
No? Is it easy for you to draw, to create that kind of building?
Easy.
Is it easy or hard? Oh,
Making hard.
is it hard?
No.
No, it's easy, right? Which one is the easiest part? Can you show me which one is the easiest part that you are working with your? Which one? The front side, the bottom side? Oh, that one when you are creating the flag, yeah. Yeah, I like your idea actually, Leandra. You trying to make it a little bit like stairs, like zigzag style like that. And yeah, I give you two thumbs up for your hard work in your very good masterpiece building. Thank you so much, Kakak Leandra. Okay, you can play with your building later on, and thank you so much. Next will be we're going to ask another one. Leandra, you can take a rest maybe if you want to eat your lunch first, or maybe you want to do something. It's okay. But if you want to stay and listen up for the others to present their work, it's also good. Nicholas, are you done? Rachel, are you done? Okay, if you're done, you want to present your work. I cannot hear you. I'm sorry, this one is mute.
Yes.
Okay, you can start to explain. I mean to present your work. Ready? One, two, go.
This is my building. First, I built the plane, the slide, and then the bandara, the airport,
Airport.
and yeah, and then ada juga.
Yeah. How you do it? How you do it?
Easy.
Easy? How to do it? Can you show us step by step? I mean, can you explain to us step by step when you are making it? How to do it?
I
First,
forgot.
you forgot. First, you have to stick what? What part first?
Take ice cream
Mm-mm.
and then
It's okay, Rachel. Yeah, be confident. It's okay. People make mistakes. Come on. Oh my goodness. Rachel, we are waiting for you to talk. It's time for you now to talk. Come on. First,
and then
okay.
there is stick to the plane
Okay.
and then we tempat to work and then
Oh, you
done.
stick it overlapping and then it's done. All right. Thank you, Rachel. Rachel, can you help me to mention two things that you learned from this lesson, from these activities?
They can
Sticking it and then something that you learn. What? Come on, it's easy. Oh my God. All right. Thank you, Rachel. Oh, to be patient. You learn how to stick the popsicle stick and you learn how to be more patient. Thank you so much, Rachel. Thank you. I give you two thumbs up.
Kamu jaga ada.
Next will be Tori. Yay. Kakak Tori, silakan. Cece. Alright. Oh my God. Tori malu-malu ya.
Ya elah.
Okay. Come on, Kak Tori. Ready? 1, 2, go.
This is my building. I made with a stick. I made a tower first. I need one stick, and then
Okay. I'm listening.
and then I stick it with paper, and then
Oh my goodness. Come on, Tori. You're almost there. Do you have a
and
name for
then
your building?
no.
Okay, it's okay. And then what? We are waiting.
I don't know. Stick it.
Okay, Tori, can you mention 5 things that you learned from this building making process?
How to use glue.
Good job. Next.
Then
Okay, you learn to be patient. Third one will be?
use popsicle stick.
Oh, to use popsicle stick. Yeah. Fourth one, you learn about
How to make a building.
how to make a building using a popsicle stick. That's cool. Last one, 5 things. The last one, come on. Remember what is the thing that you learned just now. You learn how to be creative. You learn how to.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Thank you, Kakak Tori. Thank you so much. I give you 4 thumbs up. Okay, and then 10 stars for you. Yeah, you can play with your building. And you know what? I'm so proud because today I can see that your building are very tidy and very cool. You create the outline. I mean the circle one outside the tower. That is really unique and very cool concept. Thank you so much, Kakak Tori, Cece. Makasih, Rachel. Thank you so much. You can now have a rest. And bye, Rachel. Okay, next will be, who wants to be the next one? Raise your hand. Oh, Jason and Ivo. Oh, hey, after Jason and Ivo, Aleta ya. Oke, kita masih punya 6 menit. Kita mau kasih Jason and Ivo dulu. Abis Jason and Ivo ada Aleta dan Adrian. Ya, Jason first. Ready? 1, 2. Jason first. Ready? 1, 2, go.
So here's my house.
Mm-hmm.
There inside there's a little space.
Okay.
Here's the front door.
Okay, good job.
Then when it tried to collapse, it can't because there's these like gate.
Wow. Can you see
And
that, guys?
I made
Bangka.
some windows here, here, and back here.
Wow. Is it hard for you to make like that?
Very hard.
Yeah.
It's hard. Which one is the hardest part?
The wall.
The wall. Yeah, you have to stick it one by one. Yeah.
Easy, but when the other spaces, it like want to collapse.
Yeah, I want to collapse, but you have to be so patient to hold it and then to stick it again and again, right?
Yeah.
Are you happy with your building?
Yes.
Do you have a name for your building?
Not really.
Is that a house or a building or a cage? What is that?
Some sort of house.
Oh, some kind of a house. Can you mention 5 things that you learn from these activities? 5 things. Come on.
How to use sticks,
How to use stick.
patience,
Be patient.
gluing,
What?
gluing,
Gluing. Yes, gluing is another knowledge and skill that you need to learn. 2 more. Come on.
designing, and decorating.
Designing and decorating. That is very smart answer. Yeah. Thank you so much, Kakak Jason. You are doing very good. Well done. I give you 2 thumbs up. Keren banget. My goodness. Bisa happy banget. Yeah. Next will be the pretty ladies. We call it Evo. Come on, Evo. Wow. Ivanka, see that? Evo are making a very nice building.
So this is the ladder, so you can go to the balcony, and there's the roof. So at night you can see the stars.
Okay. Is that a house or building, like a hotel or something like that?
It's like a mini house, but
Mini
it's
house.
not
Your imaginary, I mean your imagination house, right?
colorful one.
Are you working alone or you get help from somebody?
My mama.
Yay! I appreciate your mommy's effort to helping you. You have to say thank you. Can you say
And
thank you to your
here's
mommy?
the door.
Okay.
And if you want to go downstairs, go to the ladder.
Mm-mm.
And inside there's enough room.
Mm-mm.
And also, it's a big room.
Wow, that's cool, You know what, Ivo, I like the way you create the leather. The leather are so cool, like colorful and very tidy and nice. And yeah, I just wish that
Yeah.
I can climb
And
the stairs.
there's one
Yeah.
window here.
On Windows. Are you happy with your building?
Yes. Not
Yes.
happy, very happy.
Very happy. Yay! So I also feel
It's
very
my first
happy.
time.
This is your first time making that kind of building using popsicle stick?
Yes.
Okay, that's cool. Yeah. Later, when you go to your school, ask your art teacher, Mister or Miss, can we create something with popsicle stick, please? Because I have some knowledge how to do it. Yeah, you can show your skill to your teacher later on. Yeah, Ivo. Yeah, Ivo cantik, you get 2 thumbs up. Okay, Devanka, do you have any question for Ivo?
Thank you.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
Hey, Ivo, you have to say thank you to your mommy also. Thank you, mommy. Can you hug her, please? Yay! Thank you so much. Yeah. Devanka, you have any question for Ivo?
I think how to make the ladder like that. Because if I stick like that, it's very hard to stand.
Come on, and Ivo, answer it. How to make the ladder? Come on, step by step. How to do the ladder? Ah, all right. Thank you. Thank you, Kakak Ivo. Now we go to Kakak Aleta ya. Tapi sebentar Kakak Aleta, ini waktunya udah mau habis. Kakak Aleta nanti login lagi ya. Kakak Niko juga habis. Kakak Aleta, Adrian, terus Kakak Vio, ada juga Kakak Niko nanti, and Devanka later on.
Do you think this is enough?